Hey guys, what's going on? It's Trey here from My Custom Life. I'm doing a video today over my wife's neck knife I said I was going to be making, and as a matter of fact, this is the design of it. It's going to be a little smaller. She wanted a spear point style, so I kind of did that with a little bit of a, I don't know what you call it, maybe Persian European style handle, I don't know. But anyway, had to grind some flat spots so I could have something for the vise to grip on. But we're going to cut it out today. This is going to be a multi-series, multi-part video. We're going to cut it out today. Let's see if we can get my camera a little higher. Finally got a new camera system going on here. Trying to work with it. There we go. We're going to cut it out today. We're going to get into a rough profile, or the starting profile, to where we can do some work on it and put the bevels on. I'm going to try and do some file work on it, on the spine, kind of like I did with the other knives, and it's going to be a little bit tougher because it's going to be a pretty small knife. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get started on that right now. I got a nice safe area over here I'm going to be cutting in, so I'm not going to have to worry about catching anything on fire, and I'm going to be standing out of the way so I can pay attention to it, so I won't get my clothes on fire either. So we're going to go ahead and get started and show you what it looks like when it's finished. Oh wait, let me put this on first. Put it over my glasses. All right. Here we go. Oh no. Okay, I'll take these off. Oh, dang. Okay. Alright, so since this is going to take a little while, because this is 1/4 inch thick steel, it's going to be pretty loud. I don't know how the camera's going to pick that up, if it's going to really sound bad. I'm going to go ahead and skip this part, since most of you know just a standard cutting out the blade. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished, and we'll get on to the grinding and the profiling. Alright, here we go. There's the initial cut. See, this is the spot I had to grind so the vise could grip onto it. It's kind of steaming. Not too hot though. But didn't take as long as I thought it would, because I had just gotten a brand new, whoop, there we go, just gotten a brand new cutting wheel yesterday, so it was nice and sharp and ate through that metal really quickly. So right now what I'm going to do is, since there's not a whole lot of material to be removed outside of the sketch, I'm going to go and use my table grinder here, or bench grinder, and then profile the rest of this, because it works pretty well. So I'm going to switch you over this way. Hey, look at that. I need to clean my garage up. Got a bunch of stuff needs to be moved around. Alright, here we go. Alright, so I got my bench grinder over here. Here goes my sandpaper. Definitely need to get it out of the way. Then my paper towel's drying everything off. Future knives. Definitely did not have this all set up for this. Alright, here we go. Let me get my gloves. Okay, and same basic principle. If you have a knife shape or have a sketch, you just grind those lines. I'm using my table grinder. You can use files. You can use an angle grinder with a flat disc, or just a standard grinding wheel and then a flat disc to finish it up. But for this purpose, I'm going to use my table or my bench grinder here, and I'm going to show you what this looks like when it's done, because same purpose, it's going to probably be pretty loud, and I don't know how exactly it's going to sound on camera. So I'll go ahead and skip this part, the actual grinding, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished, and then we'll go ahead and get files out and make sure it's all nice and straight. Oh, alright, see y'all here in a little bit. Alright guys, we got it done. And this is, hang on, let me get some paper towels, wipe it off because it's got a lot of dust and stuff on it. That's what it looks like as of right now. It's a nice rough profile. Edges still got some burrs on them. We're going to go ahead and file these choils, make them nice. It's a little bitty thing. I mean, it's, you can get a few fingers on there. I'm definitely going to probably drill a hole down here. I'm going to drill some holes just to make it lighter because there's not going to be any scales on this because, you know, it's thick. It's all there. Drill a hole for some paracord or something like that to put on there. A little extra grip. But anyway, I'm going to go through and I'm going to file all these, make sure they're all straight, and get them all the same level on each side. And I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like when it's finished. But as of right now, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video for just a little bit. My phone's about to die, that's what I'm using for my camera. And I've already had that happen where if it gets too low, it'll just cut the video off. So I'm definitely not going to worry about that this time. So I will see y'all here in a little while.